What? You whore, you're not supposed to flip over for me. I don't think that was supposed to happen. She looked so scared. Come on. Come here. Come here. I'm not telling you. Oh, I wish you had like tile floor in your room. So I could like spin her around.
You can do that in the kitchen.
She doesn't like me doing it. Come here. You're not supposed to lay down. You're just a whore. Love you. Come here. Come here. Come up here. Come up here. Come up here. Come up here. Bella.
You scared her so she submitted to you.
Come up here. Come up here. Come up here. Yeah, yeah. Oh. Yeah, yeah. Oh. Oh. Oh, your ass is wet. Look how she itches. You see her neck? It's like... It's done now.